Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are going with mathematics. Now in the previous lecture we will talk about the solution of first order first degree differential equation using with variable separable method. So in this lecture we will talk about the solution of homogeneous equations. So in the homogeneous equation, if the differential equation is in the form of like dy by dx is equals to function of x and y upon the phi of x and y, okay, where the both of function f of xy and the phi of x of y are the homogeneous function, of the same degree of x and y, of the same degree of x and y, okay. If the differential equation in the form of like this, then solution for this differential equation is, for the solution we will put the value of y is equals to x of v, then differentiate this equation with respect to x, then this is dy by dx using UVN method, then v plus and same x and dy by dx, okay. If we put the value of dy by dx here and the value of v y upon x is equals to v, then after that equation we can separate this next equation in the form of x and v, okay. So after that we can use variable separable method, okay. So let me give you an example like this. I think you will write all these things. Okay, so for the example, first example is dy by dx is equals to x square minus y square upon x and y. So we can clearly see that the function of x and y there, this 0 x 0. Now the degree of the function above in the numerator is 0 plus 2 is 2, and in the denominator also is 1 and 1 is 2, okay. This is the homogeneous equation. Now for this equation the solution is like this. For the solution, the first step is dy by dx is equals to common x square, then 1 minus y upon x whole square upon common x square into y upon x, okay. So here x square is and x square is cancel out. Then after that dy by dx, now put y is equals to v upon x, v into x, so and dy by dx can be written like as v plus x dv by dx. Put this equation into this equation, then dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx is equals to, okay. Now the value of v is equals to y upon x, then here 1 minus y upon x is replaced by v, 1 minus v square upon v, okay. So this equation in the form of variable separable method, then apply here the v is right side, dy by dx is equals to 1 minus v square upon v minus v. Okay, then 1 minus v square minus v square upon v, this is the x dv upon dx. Now the function can be written like v upon 1 minus 2v square is equals to 1 upon x dx. Okay, so 1 minute, here dv also present. One upon 1 minus 2v square v into pv is equals to 1 upon x dx. Okay, now these are in the variable separable method. Okay, so integrate both sides and the constant is c here. Now if we multiply 1 upon 4 both sides, numerator and denominator, then we can see that clearly see that this is the differentiation of this log 1 minus 2v square 1 upon 4. Okay, now this is equals to 1 upon x, integration of 1 upon x log x plus c. Okay, now if we multiply 4 both sides, then log 1 minus 2v square 1 minus 2v square plus 4 log x plus 4c is equals to 0. Okay, now this is can be written like as log 1 minus 2v square plus log of x raised to power 4 is equals to minus 4c. Okay, now the property of log is, if log a plus log b, then it can be written like log a to b, then this is x raised to power 4 1 minus 2v square is equals to minus 4c. Now log on the right hand side is can be written like as log 1 minus 2v square, and log converted at the right hand side is e raised to power minus 4c. This is the constant, and I'll written like c dash and equals to x raised to power 4 1 minus 2, and the value of v is equals to v y upon x here. Then the value, put the value of v over there, then the value of v is y upon x square. Okay, now x square minus 1x square and 1x square cancel out, then it look like 2y square is equals to c dash. So this is the final solution of this differential equation, or I can say that the solution of the first order first degree homogeneous equation by using this method. So in this method we will firstly put up the value of y is equals to v upon x, then we will convert dy by dx into v plus x v upon dx. Now in the next step the equation can be converted into the variable separable form. Now after the separate the variables of x and dx one side and the v and dy in the one side, then we will integrate the both side and we get the solution in the form of x and y. Okay, so this is the whole procedure to solve the first order first degree homogeneous equation. Okay, thank you so much.